Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today, we have something special for fans of the much-loved television series SpongeBob SquarePants and his best friend, the lovable Patrick Star. This officially licensed coin is housed in SpongeBob-themed presentation packaging and comes with a numbered certificate of authenticity. Inside, the coin features your favorite pink starfish, the delightful Patrick Star. Struck from 1 ounce of 99.99% pure silver, the coin portrays a colored image of Patrick engaged in his favorite pastime, jellyfishing. The background includes illustrations of jellyfish and various marine species. Celebrating their madcap adventures in the underwater city of Bikini Bottom, the coin design also includes the familiar SpongeBob SquarePants logo. The coin bears the Jodie Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, and the coin's weight, purity, monetary denomination, and 2025 year date. With only 5,000 coins available, secure your SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick Star 2025 1 ounce silver-proof colored coin at the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.